Welcome to DIY Charm Studio. In this video, we dive into the world of adorable heart keychains, offering a variety of cute and creative craft ideas for you to try out. Whether you are a seasoned crafter or just starting, you'll love the versatility and charm of these small handmade treasures. From soft, plush designs to unique beaded creations, these heart-shaped keychains are perfect for personalizing your bags, keys, or giving as thoughtful gifts. Throughout the video, we explore several techniques for making heart keychains, using a variety of materials, each bringing a distinctive style and texture. From vibrant colors to pastel shades, these heart keychains are sure to capture your heart and spark your imagination. Let's start with the classic felt heart keychain. Using soft felt fabric, you can create a simple but beautifully crafted heart shape that's both durable and stylish. Choose from bright colors or subtle tones to make your design stand out or blend seamlessly with your favorite accessories. You can stitch the edges by hand, creating a neat border, or opt for a more whimsical, imperfect edge for a more rustic, homemade vibe. Add embellishments like small pom-poms, buttons, or even glitter to give it a personalized touch. Next up, we'll look at crochet heart keychains. If you're a crochet enthusiast, you'll enjoy creating these tiny, delicate hearts that are perfect for keychains. Using a soft yarn of your choice, crochet a small heart motif and add a keyring attachment to complete the look. You can make them in various sizes, from tiny hearts that fit in the palm of your hand to larger, more intricate ones with unique patterns and color combinations. Experiment with adding beads, sequins, or even little charms to make these crochet heart keychains even more magical. For those who prefer a more polished and modern aesthetic, beadwork is a great way to create stunning heart keychains. Using beads of different sizes and colors, you can weave a design that ranges from simple to elaborate. The beads can be strung together in rows, creating a smooth, seamless heart, or you can mix and match different colors and sizes to give the heart a more mosaic or pixelated appearance. Beaded heart keychains also offer a wonderful opportunity to experiment with different techniques, such as weaving, stringing, or even using wire to create a more structured design. Another popular method is resin keychains. If you enjoy working with resin, creating a heart-shaped keychain with vibrant colors and even some glitter or dried flowers inside can make for a stunning, one-of-a-kind accessory. Resin heart keychains are durable, glossy, and can be fully customized with inclusions like tiny decorative elements, glitter, or even personalized messages that are embedded into the resin itself. Leather heart keychains are perfect for a chic, elegant look. Leather crafting allows you to create sleek, minimalist heart keychains that can be stamped, painted, or left as is for a refined finish. Choose a high-quality leather material in a neutral or bold color and cut out heart shapes. You can add small details, like embossing or painting designs onto the leather, creating a piece that is both functional and stylish. Leather heart keychains can be accessorized with small metal charms or a cute tassel for a modern touch. For a more eco-friendly and natural feel, why not try making heart keychains from fabric scraps, natural fibers, or even wood? These sustainable materials can bring an earthy vibe to your heart keychain designs. Using fabric from old clothes or vintage textiles, cut out heart shapes and sew them together for a cozy, charming keychain. You can also use wooden pieces and paint or carve heart designs into them, giving your keychain a rustic, handcrafted look. If you love adding a little sparkle and shine to your accessories, try creating heart keychains using rhinestones, crystals, or sequins. These materials can be glued or sewn onto fabric, leather, or even plastic bases, adding a dazzling effect to your keychain. Glittery heart keychains are perfect for adding a touch of fun and glamour to your collection, especially if you're looking for something that stands out in the crowd. For a more whimsical approach, try creating heart-shaped pom-pom keychains. These fluffy, soft keychains are easy to make using yarn and a pom-pom maker. Once you've made your pom-pom heart, simply add a keychain ring and you have a super cute and fluffy accessory that will make you smile every time you look at it. You can also experiment with adding tiny embellishments, like little bows or beads, to make the pom-pom heart keychain even more adorable. Of course, no heart keychain collection is complete without a few personalized touches. Whether it's adding initials, a favorite color, or a meaningful charm, these small details can transform a simple heart keychain into a treasured keepsake. You can use embroidery, stamps, or even hand painting to create personalized designs, turning each heart keychain into a meaningful and special gift for friends and loved ones. Lastly, let's not forget about fabric heart keychains that are made from upcycled materials. You can repurpose old clothing, felt scraps, and other fabric remnants to create unique, eco-conscious heart-shaped keychains. This approach not only adds a personal touch to your projects but also helps reduce waste, making these heart keychains a fun and sustainable option for those who love to craft. Imagine breathing new life into old denim jeans, shirts, or scarves, all of which can be transformed into charming, heart-shaped keychains. The beauty of upcycled crafts is that no two pieces are ever exactly the same, giving each keychain its own special story. When working with fabric scraps, you can mix and match different textures, colors, and patterns to create a patchwork heart keychain that reflects your personality. For instance, you could use vintage fabric with floral patterns for a retro vibe, or soft cotton for a more cozy, minimalist design. The beauty of fabric hearts lies in the endless variety of materials you can choose from, like corduroy, velvet, or linen, each bringing a unique feel to your creation. You can even add embroidered details or lace trimmings for an extra touch of elegance. What's even more exciting is the opportunity to get creative with the shape and structure of your heart keychain. You can choose to make a plush, stuffed heart by sewing two pieces of fabric together and filling it with soft cotton or fabric scraps to give it a fluffy feel. Or, you could go for a more structured design by using a heavier fabric or interfacing to maintain a crisp, neat shape. To complete your fabric heart keychain, don't forget to add a keyring attachment, which can be securely sewn on or even attached with a small metal loop for easy hanging. Sustainability plays a huge role in the crafting world today, and creating eco-friendly crafts is a wonderful way to reduce your environmental footprint. By using repurposed fabrics, you're not only helping the planet but also encouraging a mindset of creativity and resourcefulness. Plus, these eco-conscious heart keychains make for great conversation starters when you gift them to friends or family. The idea of using upcycled materials to create something beautiful and functional is something everyone can appreciate. Throughout this video, you'll see a variety of techniques being used to create different styles of heart keychains. Whether you're looking for something that's simple and understated or bold and attention-grabbing, these craft ideas will inspire you to get creative and start making your own heart-shaped accessories. You'll notice that heart keychains can be made with just about any material you love, whether it's fabric, beads, resin, yarn, or even leather. The versatility of heart-shaped designs makes them suitable for people of all ages, and they can be made in various sizes, colors, and textures to match anyone's personal style. One of the most exciting parts of making heart keychains is the ability to personalize them. These little pieces of art can be turned into truly unique gifts that show how much you care. For example, you could add a name or initials to the heart using embroidery, or paint a meaningful design or message onto the fabric or wood. You could even create a custom heart keychain based on someone's favorite colors or hobby, making the keychain an even more thoughtful and personalized gift. Personalization is key when it comes to crafting heart keychains. It takes the charm of the heart shape and turns it into a deeply personal and memorable item. Perfect for gifting to friends, family, or even for yourself, these keychains are small but meaningful tokens that can bring joy to any occasion. You can make them for birthdays, anniversaries, Valentine's Day, or any special occasion that calls for a heartfelt gift. The beauty of heart keychains lies in their ability to capture emotions, love, friendship, appreciation, or even a fun, whimsical feeling. Whether it's a playful pom-pom heart for a friend or a sleek leather heart for a partner, these handmade gifts are sure to bring smiles to the faces of those who receive them. As you work on your heart keychains, don't forget to let your creativity flow and experiment with different materials, colors, and textures. Heart keychains are a versatile project that allows you to explore your personal style, while also adding a heartfelt touch to your accessories. You can choose soft, pastel hues for a gentle, calming effect, or bright, bold colors to make a statement. Play with patterns, from polka dots to stripes, from florals to abstract shapes, to make each keychain truly unique. Adding layers to your heart keychain designs can elevate their visual appeal. For example, You can make a double-layered heart by sewing two contrasting hearts together to create a 3D effect. Or, why not add a little extra dimension by attaching beads, buttons, or charms onto the surface of your heart to create texture and visual interest? These little touches of creativity can really take your heart keychains to the next level, making them stand out as personalized, one-of-a-kind accessories. And the best part? Heart keychains make wonderful gifts for all sorts of occasions, from birthdays and anniversaries to holidays and special milestones. They are the perfect way to show someone you care, whether it's a friend, family member, or significant other. You can even create themed heart keychains for events like weddings, baby showers, or holidays like Christmas and Valentine's Day. Imagine making a collection of heart keychains in different colors and designs that match a specific theme, and gifting them to everyone at a celebration. It's a fun and thoughtful way to commemorate a special occasion. So, grab your crafting supplies, and get ready to create something beautiful. Whether you're making heart keychains as a fun weekend project, as gifts for loved ones, or simply to add a cute touch to your own accessories, this video will show you the endless possibilities of heart-shaped creations. Each keychain is a tiny piece of art that carries love and charm, making it the perfect addition to any keyring or bag. And since they're so easy and inexpensive to make, you can create a whole collection of them to share with friends and family. Now, it's your turn. We hope this video inspires you to start crafting your own heart keychains. Let your imagination run wild, and remember, there are no limits to what you can create. Whether it's a soft felt heart, a sparkly resin piece, or a colorful pom-pom creation, heart keychains are a fun and rewarding craft project that you'll love making over and over again. They're simple to create, but their charm is timeless, and each one is filled with a little piece of love and creativity. We'd love to see your finished heart keychains. Feel free to share your creations with us on social media or in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and found these craft ideas helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crafting tutorials and inspiration. Join our growing community of crafters who are passionate about creating beautiful, heartfelt designs. Whether you're an experienced crafter or a beginner, heart keychains are a fantastic way to unleash your creativity and spread love through your handmade creations. Happy crafting, and remember to spread love with your handmade heart keychains. The best part about crafting is that it's not only about the final product, it's the joy of the process and the joy it brings to those who receive your thoughtful gifts. So, let your hands do the work, and let your heart lead the way. Let's craft something beautiful together.